Have you been deleting apps from your Android phone incorrectly all this time? There's a 95% chance that the answer is yes. Most people, when they want to uninstall an app, simply press and hold it, tap uninstall, and confirm the deletion. However, what many don't realize is that this method leaves behind junk files that fill up the phone's memory and cause it to slow down over time. When you uninstall an app the usual way, the app itself is removed, but its cache files and data remain in your phone's storage. Over time, these files accumulate and reduce available space, which can cause your phone to display the message, "Not enough storage," even if you don't have many apps installed. Additionally, the buildup of these junk files can slow down your phone's performance, making it feel sluggish or laggy. How to properly uninstall apps without leaving junk files. To completely remove an app along with all its associated files, follow these steps. Press and hold the app you want to delete. Tap App Info instead of Uninstall directly. Scroll down and tap on Storage. You will see two types of data: cache, temporary storage. These are temporary files that help the app load faster, but they accumulate over time and take up space. Data app files. These are stored files that the app saves, which take up even more space. Tap Clear Data and confirm the deletion. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files completely. Go back and now tap Uninstall, then confirm the deletion. What's the difference between both methods? The traditional method only removes the app but leaves behind extra files that take up space. Meanwhile, the correct method ensures all files related to the app are deleted, freeing up storage and preventing unnecessary clutter that slows down your device. What if you've been deleting apps the wrong way all this time? If you've been deleting apps incorrectly, there are definitely leftover files accumulating on your device, which can affect its performance. In this case, it's best to perform a thorough cleanup of your phone to remove these files. How to find temporary files from previously deleted apps. Open the File Manager. Go to Internal Storage. Look inside these folders. Android Data. You may find folders named after deleted apps. Android OB. Some games and apps leave data here. Download or any other folders that may have the app's name. Uninstalling apps may seem like a simple task, but it has a major impact on your phone's performance and speed. Always follow the correct method to prevent junk files from piling up and slowing down your device. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends so they can benefit too.